Welcome back to Be Sports Fit, and this is your strength and conditioning coach Chinmoy Roy. In this episode, we are going to focus on the mobility and recovery for the cricketers.
Sir, in the Indian summer, when the humidity is at its peak, I find it really difficult as a wicketkeeper to recover after the first session of the game.
Right.
And all these areas get a lot tighter than it usually is. So, how do you think you'll do that?
50 overs, Rishabh Pant and Josh Butler.
घंटों रिसर्च कर बढ़िया प्लेयर्स चुन के बेस्ट टीम बनाई थी तुमने, पर टीम फिर भी हार गई तुम्हारी। क्या कभी ऐसा लगा है कि रियल प्लेयर्स के साथ भी खेल रहे हो या नहीं? हाउसर पे आओ, हाउसर पे आप ही की तरह है सिर्फ और सिर्फ असली फैंस, गारंटीड। विजिट houseit.com and make your team now.
Have to keep and then come back and bat. So these are the two cricketers most challenged. And coming to your next thing, what shall we do? Let's have a look at the mobility stuff. Yaman, this is one exercise that enhances mobility. In your words, mobility means increasing the range of motion in a joint. For example, the hip joint. So I educate you. So you see, this is called tall kneeling position. Now keep the hand here and this leg goes there. Push your hip back. Get back, other leg. That's perfect. Keep changing. You should be doing 10 each leg. Now once you're there, you feel the stretch here. No? Perfect. Get up and do this one. And this also increases the range here because the knee is into an internal. This is an internal rotation.
This looks like a new position. What is this all about?
It's a new position. This is called 90-90. So this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. And this is the exercise. So from there, you rotate this side and that side. As you do it again, you feel the stretch here. It goes into an internal rotation. So this opens up the hip complex. 10 each side. You can do 2 sets of this. This exercise is taken one step forward. What is that? So again, this is a 90-90 position. Now watch, you rotate and from there, you go and feel the stretch here. Now same way, you bring it back and rotate and you go feel the stretch. This stretches the hip flexor. It also stretches the glutes, rotation, the adductor and take it forward. 10 each side, you can do 2 sets of this.
This T20 series is going on between India and South Africa.
Right?
So people like Tanya Bhatia and other cricketers would also be facing a similar mobility issue. Do you have any more exercise suggestions other than the previous 2 that you showed?
Now this is a support. You hold this one as support. This is called split stance, mean lunge position. Push this leg there, then hold your back leg and now go forward and back. Perfect. So you will be doing 10 times both the legs and 2 to 3 sets. An absolutely unique exercise to open up the hip joints.
After 100 overs of play, it becomes really exhausting, sir.
Yes.
So can you suggest any recovery exercises?
There is stretching, there is massage, there is pool therapy, ice bath. For simple youngsters, we have one weapon. Come very close to the wall and put your leg up. It is taken from yoga. The benefit is all the blood is thrown back to the heart and the gut. That ensures sleep, hunger and everything. Remember, this has to be held for about 2 to 3 minutes and you can go up to 5 minutes. Anushka and Yaman, you see the likes of Rishabh Pant and Tanya Bhatia. They not only slog it in the ground, but they go back and do their mobility exercises and recovery means properly. So that the next day they come back all guns blazing. More such absorbing episodes are coming up. So keep following Be Sports Fit.